Hey everybody!
Did I just fuck up your intro?
Hey everybody, it's Java! And I like to eat everything in the whole world. Welcome to
my vagina is showing.
The show where we talk about
Vaginas. No?
No! Hey internet world. Hello. Don't put your butt on camera. Nubtastic.
He's eating my fingers.
You're showing his peeps to the whole world.
Look at his peeps.
No, don't look at his peeps. His peeps is for peeps. And now he is sad.
That does not look like his face. He's sad.
I am so sad. Brittany, show my peep. Oh.
Brittany, show my peep to the whole world.
Now I must eat her. Eat her. You are just so perfect. Nobody really cares.
So belly. Oh, no, belly. Little peep.
No peeps. Hide your peeps from the world. There will be Twitter accounts of your peep. And that'll be weird.
And I'll be the owner of all.
Twerk it. So much twerks. For a twerk. Let's rant about Jabba's butt. And how cute it is and how cute a little booty. Sorry, I like his bum. Everyone likes your bum, Jabba. You got a cute little bum. Bum. We're getting carried away.
A little bit. And the video is just this for 2 hours. I unbox you, see? I look like the devil. Alright, nope. I got so scared. Anyway, what are we doing? What are we doing here? What's going on in this video? All boobs. Now they're gonna be like, oh no, she shows her cleavage. Oh no. No wonder Acacia's a whore. Oh no. No. Oh no, sluts are friends with each other.
No. So in honor of what does the fox say, we're gonna make animal noises and make fun of each other and how we do them.
Fun.
Okay, what does a cow say?
I feel like mine was more accurate.
What about a horse?
Okay, yours was so much better.
No!
Her horse is dying.
Oh,
Okay, oh, that was better. That was a lot better than mine. We need more animals.
Piggy.
Oh, Acacia, you didn't say look like a pig. Stop that.
I win.
Ew. Ew.
A cockatoo.
Yep, okay. You got it.
Cockatoo!
You totally got it.
Elephant.
Apparently elephants just spit everywhere. What does Jabba say?
What does the Jabba say? What do elephants make noises like?
What do elephants make grammar? Elephants don't make grammar.
Elephants don't make grammar.
They don't.
Hey, doggy. Are we talking about Chihuahua or like a dog? Like,
I'm talking like Jabba.
or like.
No, we're talking more like that. Like Jabba. He screams.
He is confused on why I'm barking. The video. Jabba stopped the video because
He's a naughty boy. Why are you so naughty? He's like, you're speaking my language.
I probably cuss him out right now. He's so confused.
No, that's why he's angry. He's slapping you.
Or
I need more animals. I need to pull up a list of animals.
kitty. Or paradise. That's
What noise does a platypus make? You have no idea what noise a platypus makes.
That's what Perry the platypus does. A lion. We're scared of Jabba's.
Poor baby. Oh, he's so scared. He's... He's so confused.
He's like,
With all the chins and everything.
what other animals?
I'm looking. The baby's so cute. The baby's so cute.
It's the Jabba show.
People would watch that. Do we want to look at fishes or reptiles or
Fishes.
No, we want mammals.
Gloop, 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 gloop.
Trying to find mammals.
Rats.
Zebras. An Arctic fox.
What does the fox say? Yak, 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 yak. It is the Jabba show.
Oh, so beautiful. Such think.
There.
Anteater.
Did you see what tongue?
Camel.
Is that an alpaca?
I don't know. What's a bandicoot? Is this Pokemon now? They just say their name. What does a bear say? A Bengal tiger.
What does the
Bison.
bison say? Oh. This is not how animals eat their food.
I love that video. No! No!
That's what a bison says.
What does a dolphin say?
Just like that. That's exactly how they
What
talk.
the hell is a card? Gorilla. That's why Jabba doesn't like you. That's Tarzan. Coyote. What's a deer say? I need grass. I need to eat. And then I get shot.
That's awful.
Have we done donkey?
No.
Oh god. You win.
That sounds
about-
like Brittany.
And
Hyena. We're bad at this. We probably need to go to the zoo.
We need to go to the zoo really bad. No, killer whale.
Whale! I'm a whale!
I'm a poacher.
What is that?
I kill you.
Ah. We didn't do a sheep though. Bah, 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 bah,
Wait, then what do goats do?
bah, bah.
Wait, if sheep do that, what do goats do?
Ducks.
Quack. No. That's not what next to.
Wait. No.
Every animal apparently just spits everywhere.
Wait, he used to make the duck noise. He agrees.
Yeah. He's like, is there a duck in here?
That sounds just like a duck.
No, you have to use that word.
What does the
Armadillo.
say?
Rabbit. Jabba!
Hey, Jabba. Jabba agrees. Lots of agrees with Jabba.
No, maybe.
That's what Jabba says. What about turkey?
Skunk.
Go, 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 go!
Gobble, 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 gobble. That's what a turkey says. Sloth. Sloth is Peyton.
We is one with the sloth. So, I think that is it for the animals. We need to visit a zoo. That is what we have learned. We're bad at this. So that was a boring video. Hope you enjoy our Nature Calls video. Bye. See you later. Hater, alligator, potato.
Did you really just do that for 12 minutes?
Yeah. Hey everyone, we would like to tell you that if you go, stop freaking out, stop it. If you go to audible.com/AcaciaCutie, you can get a free book. And currently, I am listening to Looking for Alaska, and the puppy doesn't like the cameras. Audible.com/AcaciaCutie. But yeah, audible.com/AcaciaCutie. You can listen to Looking for Alaska if you want to too. Right, Jabba? Yeah. Free book. Yay for free books. Yay! 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 The link will be down there, so just click on it. Free book. For the whole world.